message has been transmitted at the request of the Madison Police Department. Police are looking for an armed man that may be capable of causing destruction to the city.
Strong thunderstorm moving through McLean County in central Illinois. At 9:55 a.m., the public reported deadly cloud-to-ground lightning strikes were the passing thunder.
Tractor trailer that crashed on Interstate